You lie awake at night, your mind full of worries. Problems seem too big. You cannot control the future. Every plan feels uncertain. Every step feels heavy. You feel tired, lost, and alone. But you are not alone. Allah is with you. Let Him handle what you cannot. Trust Him completely. You do not need to carry every burden on your own. Life will test you. People will disappoint you. Plans will fail. Things will go wrong, even when you try your best. You cannot fix everything, and that is okay. You were never meant to. There is peace in knowing this. When you hand your worries to Allah, your heart becomes lighter. Stress cannot solve your problems, but trust can. The moment you surrender, you open space for calm to enter. Think about times your plans failed, but better opportunities came. Maybe a job did not work out, or a relationship ended, or a path closed. At the time, it hurt. It felt unfair. But later, you saw doors open in ways you never imagined. That was Allah's guidance. You could not see it at the time, but He had a better plan. The unknown can feel scary, but when you trust Allah, fear loses its power. Every worry you hold on to steals your peace. Breathe, pray, and leave it to Him. Watch how life changes when you stop trying to control everything and start trusting. Letting go is not weakness. It is courage. Courage to admit your limits. Courage to believe in someone stronger than yourself. You are never alone. Allah knows every worry, every tear, every heartbeat. When your heart feels heavy, speak to Him. Watch anxiety turn into calm, confusion turn into guidance, and weight turn into hope. Even in the darkest moments, when everything feels impossible, trust can bring light. Start with small steps. When worry comes, pause. Remember Allah. Say, I leave this to you. Every small act of trust grows your faith. You will see doors open in ways you never expected. Problems may still happen, but your heart will hold peace. Worry will lose its power. Patience will grow. Life will feel lighter. Your steps will feel stronger. You will face the world with a new confidence, knowing someone powerful is guiding your path. Letting go does not mean giving up. It means giving to the one who knows best. Allah's wisdom is perfect. His timing is right. His care is endless. Let Him handle it. Feel the freedom that comes when you stop carrying what was never yours. You are free to live, to hope, to smile, and to trust. Your life can move forward without the weight that has been holding you back. Every worry you release, every fear you surrender, is a step toward peace. Every time you pause and remember Allah, you grow stronger, calmer, and more certain that life will unfold exactly as it should. Keep your heart open to His guidance. Let Him lead. Trust that even when the path is unclear, He is always with you, shaping your journey for the better. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs hope today. Let them know they are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe for more reminders that heal the heart, strengthen the soul, and give you the courage to trust and keep moving forward.